Good morning, dear children. Nice to see you back again. So the last time when we did maths, we were doing multiplication. Yes or no? And we had learned how to multiply by a single digit. So let's do a recap of that. I hope you have learned your tables. I've been telling you to learn it from February. But some of you are very, very stubborn. Only about 20 of you know the tables. But you have plenty of time to learn that, so please. So let's begin. 7 threes are 21. 21. 7 six are 42. Don't forget to add the caret number. 42 plus 2, 44. 7 fours are 28. 28 plus 4, 32. 7 ones are 7 plus 3, 10. 7 6, 42 plus 1, 43. So we got this answer by multiplying this number by 7. So the answer that we got was 4,30,241. Now let's try and learn. And today we are going to do with 2 digits. We have done that before in class 4, but let's revise because many of you tend to forget. Now, first, in the same way, what we have done here, we must multiply with the ones from the ones column. So we start with 7. 7 and 6, after that 7 and 4, after that 7 and 5, then 7 and 8. So let's start. Are you ready? Good. 7 6 are 42. Now whatever we write here is the first answer that we get by multiplying by 7. So 7 fours are 28 plus 4, 32. 7 fives are 35 plus 3, 38. 7 eights are 56 plus 3, 59. So let's cross out the caret numbers. Now, there's another important rule here which I taught you in class 4, but let's do a recap. Why we put a 0 or a cross? So let me explain on the other side. 8, 5, 4, 6 into 47. So the first answer that we got was 5, 9, 8, 2, 2. Now, we have done expanded form. Yes or no? Yes. So can we expand 47? 40 plus 7. Now, we are multiplying from the tens place. The value of 4 here is 40, 40. Okay? 40 is too big a table. So, the easier way to do it is, we put this 0 here. We can turn that into a 0 or a cross. Now, it is made very simple. You just have to multiply by 4. You got that? Again, let me explain. The value of 4, the place value of 4 in 47 is 40. Now we don't do 40 times table here. We have another simple way of doing it, and that is to cross out this 0, put that 0 here. Now you just have to do 4 times table. I hope you understood that. Now let's get back to the sum. Let's do it with a different chalk. We put a 0 or a cross. Only put 1. If you want to put 0, put 0. If you want to put a cross, put a cross. But remember, from where this cross or a 0 is coming, okay? This 4 is in the tens place value. So, 4, 0, 40. That 0, we put it here and we multiply with only 4. So when we multiply this number by 7, this is the answer that we got. This is the first answer. Now we must find another answer. Work out another answer by multiplying by 4. Now let's do it the same way. 4 and 6, 4 and 4, 4 and 5, 4 and 8. It's the same thing, no difference. 4 6 are 24. We must write this because we are multiplying in the tens place. So we must put this answer in the tens place. So 4 4s are 16 plus 2, 18. 4 5s are 20 plus 1, 21. 4 8s are 32. 32 plus 2, 34. Now let me go back again. The one orange or yellowish in color is the answer that we got by multiplying by 7. Now that's your first answer. Now we must find a second answer. But before we do that, we must put a 0 or a cross. And when we multiply this number by this 4, this is your second answer. Now, what answer, the overall answer that we get by multiplying 8,546 by 47? For that, we must add 2 plus 0, 2, 4 plus 2, 6, 8 plus 8, 16. Carry it here. Don't forget to add that. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 1, 11. 1, 1. 5 plus 1, 6 plus 4, 10. 1, 0. 3 plus 1, 4. So the answer that we got is 4,01,662. I hope you're paying attention. Not like in class looking here and then I have to shout. Pay attention. So let's do 2 more sums. Are you ready? Okay, let me write this number 61408 multiplied by 69. Let's do another number 74603 multiplied by 58. Are we ready? Okay, let me use a different chalk. So let's do it. First, with which number should we multiply? With 9, with the ones column. Only with 9. Let me put this 9 with a different chalk. Okay, let me do this also. 8, so that you will know the difference. Now, we must multiply just like single digit. How we multiply? It's in the same way. There's no difference. Same way. First, we have to multiply this number by 9. Write it here. Then multiply with the second number. Write it below that. Just like doing single digit. Are you ready? Okay. 9 8s are 72. Now children, most of you make a mistake. Remember that this 7 is the carried number. Okay? We should not multiply with the carried number. We should multiply with the number that is given here. We have to multiply this, not that. This is the carried number, so you just add. So let's do again. 9 zeros are 0. Plus 7, 7. 9 fours are 36. We cannot put two numbers, so we add the tens, 30 and 6. We write it here. 9 1 are 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2. 9 6 are 54 plus 1, 55. Now we must write 55 here because there is no more numbers there. Our sum is finished. 55. Now, I have explained why that 0, from where that 0 has come. Now we have, okay, let me explain it. This is in the tens place. The value of 6 here is, for example, the place value is 69 or 6 is 60. So we don't do 60 times table. For our easier or easy multiplication, we put the 0. Some of us write it as 0, some of us put a cross. Now that's how this 0 has come. So let's rub out these carry numbers so that we don't add them. So are you ready? Okay. So this is the first answer that we got by multiplying by 9. Now, just think that each of these sums is a single digit. We have done in a previous class. Now we do it only 6, but don't forget to put a 0. 6 8s are 48. 6 zeros are 0 plus 4, 4. 6 4s are 24. 24. 6 1s are 6 plus 2, 8. 6 6 are 36. There's no numbers, so we must put both the numbers here. 36. And add for the overall answer. Now the yellowish line is the answer that we got by multiplying by 9. Now the second answer is when we multiply by 6. Now we must add up to know what this number, multiply by this number, what answer we get. So let's do 2 plus 0, 2. 8 plus 7, 15. 6 plus 4, 10. Plus 1, 11. 1, 1. 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 plus 5, 13. Carry 1. Bring down 3. 6 plus 5, 11. Plus 1, 12. 1, 2. 3 plus 1, 4. So we got, when we multiply these two numbers, we got the answer 42,37,152. So hope you are taking a keen interest and learning, but the most important thing is to learn your tables. Whatever we are going to do from now on is based on tables. So you have plenty of time, 2 or 3 subjects during the day, and then you have plenty of time to learn your tables. Let's do this last sum now. Pay attention. 8 3s are 24. Let's use a different chalk. 24. 8 should be multiplied with 2 or 0. Good. Should be 0. Not with the carried number. So 8 zeros are 0 plus 2, 2. 8 6 are 48. 8 4s are 32 plus 4, 36. 8 7s are 56 plus 3, 59. We must write both the numbers because there's no more numbers here. So let's cross out these carried numbers. Now we must multiply by 5. Think that that it is a single number. So what must we do? We are multiplying with the tens. Place value of 5 is in the tens place. So we put a 0. I have explained that from where the 0 came in the previous sum. So let's start again. 5 3s are 15. 5 zeros are 0 plus 1, 1. 5 6 are 30. 3 0. 5 4s are 20 plus 3, 23. 5 7 are 35 plus 2, 37. Now let's add. So again, let me go back. This answer we got by multiplying by 8. This answer we got by multiplying by 5. And don't forget to put a 0 or a cross. Now what should we do? Add. Good. 4. 5 plus 2, 7. 8 plus 1, 9. 6 plus 0, 6. 9 plus 3, 12. 7 plus 5, 12. Some of you forget. 12 plus 1, 13. 3 plus 1, 4. So when we multiply this top number by this 58, we got the answer 43,26,974. So So I hope children, you have understood. If you haven't understood, go back to the video and try and understand. Later on, we'll be getting a self-assessment test. I have put some sums there. You multiply that, do those sums in your exercise book, okay? In your exercise book. And then, whatever answer you get, put only the answer in your self-assessment test and see what answers you've got right and what answers you have got wrong. And then, please do the correction. Is that clear? That's all for today. Stay safe and be safe. Don't give trouble to your parents. Okay? See you.